Today, we are going to make the brown and black Gothic hybrid utility kilt with Scottish National Tartan Apron. Before starting the manufacturing, we need some basic items like fabric, thread, a sewing machine, scissors, pins, a measuring tape ruler, nylon straps, and rust-free hardware like chain, O-ring, lobster hook, etc. First, we select the fabric, which is black, brown cotton, and Scottish National Tartan. In the first step, cut the tartan and make the front apron. Then we cut the black and brown fabric to make the pleats. We mark and pin the pleats, then stitch across the top to secure them inside the kilt. After that, we cut the black fabric to make flap pockets and sewed them on both sides to carry your small items. We take nylon straps and stitch on the waist area in which O-rings are attached. Then we took a chain and attached it on both sides with a lobster hook.